Hello, I'm Lanlard, master pâtissier from London. I want to share with you, mostly if you are new baking beginners, my top list of equipment will make you a better baker. So follow me inside the store and we're going to go through my top list of equipment. So this store is a complete piece of heaven if you want to be a baker or a cake decorator. Cookies are actually a great thing to start baking if you're a complete beginner. But cookie cutters, mostly the metal ones, I love them. If you're a baker as well, and if you're going to make pastries, you're going to need some rolling pins and rolling mats as well. They're perfect for rolling pastry, perfect dimension, they're non-stick, and they work as well with fondant icing. So double whammy on this one as well. Another essential, and you always see pastry chefs with them, is piping bag, like this one, and you can just go crazy with the nozzles. Start with the classic one, like the star nozzles we've got here, different shape one. And again, as you're becoming more confident with your decoration skill, you can just shop away and buy all of them. So baking is all about precision. You need to check the temperature of your oven and you need to make sure your cake is perfectly baked before you start decorating it. Very important part of your list of equipment you should definitely have in your kitchen. It's a cake tester. You just plunge it into your cake. When it comes out nice and clean, you know the cake is perfectly baked and people will enjoy it and you can decorating it away. Some good mixing bowl, different sizes so you can have all your ingredients ready and plenty of space to get the dough working and mixing your delicious batter. So talking about precision in a kitchen, this is another must-have. You can't bake a cake without a scale, and you can just follow the recipe to the latest grams, so you know it will be perfect and you get the best cake at the end result. So for me, when it's time to mix a batter or even some icing, I love silicone spatulas. You can really scrape away the last drop of your batter so you don't waste it. Invest some money in a great set of silicone spatulas, buy different sizes as well so they can fit in all your different size of mixing bowl you've got in your kitchens. So when it's time to do biscuits or even macaroons or little things on baking trays, instead of using baking paper, us professional chefs, we've been using for years the Silpat silicone mat. They are non-stick, so nothing will stick to them, and now you can buy them here as well. So like us professional in our kitchen, you can use exactly the same Silpat shapes. So they are absolutely great as well. I love them. So definitely buy a couple of those, essential in a kitchen. So another great tip, that's something if you're new in a baking world, on a cake decorating world, those little numbers here are absolutely brilliant. They are polystyrene dummies, and basically what you can use them to practice on your icing skills. So you just ice them. If it's not good enough, you just peel off the icing and you start again till you get the perfect finish. And that's how you learn to do it. That's how I learned to do it. And talking about decoration, if you're a beginner and you're not very good with your piping skills, there is a lot of little tips in this shop here who make your life much easier. And this is one who is absolutely a bestseller worldwide. I know here in Dubai, it's a sensation as well. You can make some beautiful sugar lace to cover birthday cake, wedding cakes, any colors, and anybody can do it. So this is another essential in your baking set at home. Mostly if you like cheesecake, a good spring fountain is an essential. Invest in a good quality one and liquid proof like that. And you just keep it open and you can remove your cake nice and easy. Great tin. I'm a big fan of that because I love cheesecakes. If you're not very artistic or you're not very good at modeling by hand, but you love decorating and paintings, those little silicone molds are great. You just need to press your icing, your petal paste or your modeling paste into the mold. You pop them out and you got the perfect shape. And you can see the selection is just massive. The kids love using it as well. So it's very easy to use and great results. When you know you want to be a baker and you're going to bake away for your friends and family or even starting a little business, this is really what you need in your kitchen. This is the best piece of equipment. I've been using it for years. In my baking school in London, I got one at home. They come in a great selection of colors, so you can match it to whatever you like. This will last a lifetime. So if you love making bread, definitely a must one in your kitchen. So I just can't believe this. This shop's got everything you need to be a perfect baker, to be a perfect cake decorator. But I've just noticed something right here on the bottom of this shelf. I'm originally from France, from Brittany, which is a regional part of France, which is known for the pancake and the crepes. And krampus on Breton language mean crepe. Fantastic, I can't believe it's here in Dubai. But before you invest all your money on this beautiful product, you need great recipes. This was one of my first books, it's called Home Bake. If you're a beginner, this is absolutely perfect because there is a little bit of everything. The main thing, a lot of pictures, so you know what the final product is supposed to look like. This one is another great book, that's my latest book actually. It's called Chocolat, meaning in French chocolate. From dessert to drinks to truffles. Look at this one, how delicious is that? Pear and chocolate clafoutis. For cupcakes lovers, because everybody loves cupcakes, couture cupcakes. So this is like the fashion of cupcakes. This one fit for a king or a queen with like sugar crowns. We've got this one gluten-free, so if you are celiacs, healthy cupcakes with granolas, tiramisu cupcakes. There is a little bit for everybody. So if you do come to Wilton, make sure you get one of the copies. And if you happen to be here, I will maybe sign it for you. And of course, don't put the bar too high when you start baking. Like I say, start simple. Start by making brownies, cupcake, cookies. And as you're becoming more confident, you can raise the bar and you can always come back to the shop more often and buy more equipment and more gadgets. Enjoy your baking, happy cooking. I'm Lanlard, Master Patissier from London.